Mike Bader here, coming to you today from the MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center in Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we are on this spectacular, brand new Azimut 68 flybridge. We're in the cockpit. It is quite the sensational boat. And as you see, it has this feature flow through to the aft galley. This is an amazing boat for entertaining with your friends and family. You come right into this sitting area, so it's like a sofa, but it does open into a big dining room. Then you have this beautiful refrigerator freezer area, great cooking area, which could also double as a bar. Over here, we have this huge opposing seating. So we have this opposing seating, that seating, just really huge room to spread out. Floor to ceiling windows, separate pilot house for the captain. And this is one of the cool things about an Azimut. Of course, an Italian boat, you're gonna get these fancy china with the Azimut name on it. Let's go down below as we enter the private owner's salon staterooms. We have this beautiful Miele separate washer dryer, very popular. Now we're on the full beam master. As you can see, luxury abound, TV hidden away over here, separate toilet and shower, beautiful marble, big bed, almost a king size bed, walk-in closet over here with a safe, another closet here, but the full beam, so these huge windows really make the boat very enjoyable, light, comfortable, non-claustrophobic. Let's head up to the flybridge now on this 68 Azimut flybridge. Notice this beautiful batty line fabric, faux marble, so no staining, no maintenance. Aft station for docking. Let's go up. And now we're on the flybridge. Check out this aft section of the flybridge. Look at how beautiful this is. This used to be in former models. This was stainless steel, and now it's a nice toe cap. Really luxurious. They're able to do this huge flybridge because this is all carbon fiber. So the boat can be higher, wider, longer, lighter, so you still have great fuel economy. Up here we have an awning, opens fully aft for sun protection. It will move midship here. Huge seating area, again with batty line fabric, faux marble, nice barbecue, bar, entertaining, wet bar, refrigerator, freezer, luxurious lounging here. This opens above us and closes, press a button. Full featured electronics, same electronics here as the station down below. As we walk to the bow, take a few things in. First of all, no longer stainless steel on the rails. And then here we have almost 6-foot high windows. Really a spectacular modern boat. Big walkways. This is a pilot house entrance, so it's easy for the crew to get to the bow, also for the crew to come to the bow and serve you. Then we have this really remarkable living space. This is a whole new place for your family and your friends to be entertained. Carbon fiber poles, so they're super lightweight, easy to set up. Really takes 5 minutes to do this. And then lounging and seating and more seating, so opposed seating. This opens up into a nice big table, and then the same, exclusive luxury batty line fabric, faux marble, beautiful work area, and of course, a sun pad. This folds down, you have a full sun pad. Beautiful stainless steel anchor. I mean, really a first-class yacht. Please call Mike Bader at the MarineMax Pompano Yacht Center for your private showing, and have a great day.